Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how if you not see any option for the shipping address, how can you fix this issue? For fix this issue, you just need to open your mobile application Asian in Shopee. When you open your Shopee application, you just need to click on me. After clicking on me, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you see option for shipping. Just you need to click on shipping. After clicking on shipping, you enable all the option. When you enable all option, like it automatically fix. You can see the option for adding shipping address. This is a simple tutorial about how we can fix the shipping address if you not see shipping address in Shopee. Thanks for watching.